Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to tile windows by holding Option key while dragging on Mac. So Windows tiling automatically resize and position a window in a specific area of the screen. It is useful when you want to work with two apps at the same time or organize several windows without resizing each manually. So macOS allows you to use Option key while dragging a window to activate the tiling placement more intentionally and quickly. This can make it easier to control where the window will be placed and help prevent unnecessary manual resizing. So before using it, the option key tiling setting must be enabled, and to do that, first click on the Apple logo and choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, go to desktop and dock, and here scroll until you find Windows section, and finally make sure to enable the toggle right to hold option key while dragging windows to tile, and that's all you have to do. And from now on, whenever you want to tile a window in either left or right position, all you just need to press the option key on your keyboard and drag the window in either right or left side, and you can instantly start seeing the preview. Once the placement preview appears, release the window and then instantly release the option key on your keyboard, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.